Before you commit to Reverence Hotels, there are 7 things you need to know that could save you a lot of money and headache. Whether you're considering booking a stay or possibly partnering with them, understanding these key points will help you make an informed decision. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how Reverence Hotels compares to its competitors and if it's the right choice for you. Now, before we dive into the details, if you're looking for the best deal on Reverence Hotels or even a free trial, check out the first link in the description below. You'll get access to some exclusive perks. First, let's talk about the booking process. One of the key things that stand out about Reverence Hotels is how simple and user-friendly their booking platform is. Compared to some of its competitors like Booking.com or Hotels.com, Reverence offers an intuitive interface and smooth booking flow. Their website has a clean, modern feel with quick loading pages and an easy search functionality. Whether you're booking last minute or planning months ahead, the process is seamless. Plus, their pricing transparency means you won't be caught off guard with hidden fees, something you might encounter on larger booking sites. Next thing, let's discuss the range of accommodations. Reverence Hotels prides itself on offering a diverse set of options for travelers, from affordable rooms to luxurious suites. But unlike some of the bigger chains, Reverence focuses on more boutique-style properties that really focus on providing a personalized experience. This is a nice touch, as many of their competitors tend to lean more on cookie-cutter hotel options, offering less character. It's that attention to detail in the decor and ambiance that often sets Reverence apart. Now, the third thing to know about Reverence Hotels is their customer service. In an industry that is notorious for lackluster customer service, Reverence goes above and beyond. Their support team is responsive and genuinely helpful, whether you're booking a room, resolving an issue during your stay, or even making changes last minute. If you've ever dealt with the slow response times from larger hotel chains or online booking platforms, you'll appreciate how much smoother things go here. The fourth thing you need to know is their loyalty program. Reverence Hotels rewards repeat guests with perks such as early check-in, late checkout, and discounts for future stays. They also offer personalized services based on your past preferences. Compared to larger chains, their program feels more tailored and genuine, rather than just giving you a generic point system like you might find with Marriott or Hilton. Next thing, let's talk about the location flexibility. Unlike other booking platforms that have partnerships with certain hotel chains, Reverence has a more curated selection of independent hotels that offer unique, localized experiences. Their locations span across several major cities, as well as some more remote, hidden gems. This could be a game changer for travelers looking for something different from the standard tourist-heavy areas you'd find in most big chains. The sixth thing is about the quality of amenities. Reverence Hotels often include boutique features that aren't always available with the bigger competitors. For example, many of their locations include perks like free yoga classes, artisanal breakfast options, or in-room massages that make the experience feel more luxurious. While larger chains focus on uniformity, Reverence leans into the special touches that make your stay memorable. Lastly, the price comparison. While Reverence Hotels doesn't always beat the competition in terms of price on every property, their value proposition comes in the experience. Booking with them means you're likely paying for more than just a room. You're investing in an experience that feels different from anything you'll get from mass market options like Expedia or Travelocity. Their properties may not always be the cheapest, but the quality and experience they provide make it worth considering. So, if you're thinking about staying with Reverence Hotels, there's a lot to love. From a seamless booking experience to personalized services and unique hotel options, they've crafted a brand that prioritizes customer satisfaction. If you want to experience it for yourself, remember to click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial for Reverence Hotels and exclusive benefits.